Okay, let's check this one out. Given this function, determine all the points x, y. Okay, final answer is going to be a coordinate, maybe more than one coordinate, on the graph of f such that the line tangent to f at that coordinate has a slope of 2. So as we read this, it sounds wordy, but if we pick it apart word by word, it'll make a little more sense. So they gave us a function. Our answer is going to be a coordinate or one or more coordinates on the graph of f such that the slope is 2. The slope, the line tangent has a slope of 2. The slope is 2. Well, let's find the derivative. Let's do it in red. F prime is equal to 3x squared minus 24x plus 38 plus 0. And we want this to equal 2. Let's solve it. This one is actually factorable, so it's going to be very easily solved. We will move the 2 to the left side of the equation, so 3x squared, pulling out some old algebra tricks here. 36 equals 0. Let's factor out a 3. That gives me x squared minus 8x plus 12 equals 0. And then x and minus, and that would be 6 and 2. Am I right? Yeah, I'm right. Okay, so 3 equals 0. Well, no, it doesn't. X minus 6 equals 0. That's possible. X minus 2 equals 0. There we go. Now, those aren't my answers. Those aren't my final answers. That might be some partial credit, maybe somewhere. However, final answer is a coordinate. My coordinates are points on the graph of f. So what I'm looking for is 6, comma, and then the output from 6. 2, comma, and then the output from 2. And so I think the best way to do this is just to type it in the calculator. Otherwise, we're just doing a whole bunch of extra stuff that may not be necessary. So 3x to the third, x to the third, just x to the third, minus 12x squared plus 38. I was mixing up the original and the derivative, and I put it in the exponent. Y'all have been watching this the whole time saying, man, he's doing it wrong. There we go. That's correct. And we're going to plug in a 6 and a 2. Not in that order. We plug in a 6 and we get a negative 2. We plug in a 2 and we get a 22. So there we go. We have everything that we need. If we wanted to graph this, then we would see that the slope at this coordinate and at this coordinate would be